Hello dear students, welcome to electricity revision lecture number 15. So in this lecture we will see the topic resistivity. So resistivity having another name also, that is specific resistance. Specific resistance. So already so far we have studied about the resistance and what are the factors which affects the value of resistance. So in this lecture video we will study about resistance or a specific resistance. So resistivity, what is resistivity? So resistivity is the characteristic property of substance. So it is the characteristics property of a substance, or we can say it is the characteristic property of material. So it is found experimentally that the resistance of a given conductor is directly proportional to its length. Resistance of a given conductor is directly proportional to their length. That means R directly proportional to the L. So just assume equation number 1. And another we have that resistance of a given conductor is inversely proportional to the area of cross section So R is inversely proportional to area of cross section of a conductor. So already these two property we have studied in previous lecture, that is the factors affecting the value of resistance. So this we assume equation number 2. So when we combine equation 1 and 2, we get R proportionally L upon A. So if I remove the proportionality sign, we will put some constant here. So R is equal to rho L upon A, where rho RHO is the specific resistance or resistivity of conductor. So this relation we get, and from this we can also calculate the value of rho is equal to RA upon L. So RA upon L gives the value of rho. So resistivity of a conductor doesn't depends the length and area of doesn't depend the length and area of that conductor. Resistivity of a conductor doesn't depends on the length and area of cross section of that conductor. So resistivity depends only on which factor is resistance depend? Resistivity depends only the nature of material which is used to make the substance, such as conductor, insulators, alloys, etc. So now what is the unit of resistivity? Unit of resistivity. So already we have relation rho is equal to RA upon L. So the unit of L, unit of R is ohm, and unit of area is meter square upon length. The unit of length is meter, so meter cancel, ohm meter. So this is the unit of resistivity, ohm meter. So we have some of the resistivity, we have the value of some of the resistivity of a substance. Let's note down. So dear students, in note we will write silver is the best conductor of electricity, but the resistivity is least, and the values are 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 Newton meter, and the resistivity of mercury having more, that is the 96 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Resistivity of copper 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 Newton meter. Resistivity of gold 2.27 into 10 to the power minus 8 Newton meter. So these first four are the conductors. First four are the conductors. Next we have silicon. So silicon having 640 ohm meter and germanium having 0.45 ohm meter. So these two are semiconductors. Nichrome having 100 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter, and constant 10 having 49 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. So these two having alloys. So these value you have to remember, because during the numericals based on the resistivity you have to use it frequently. So in this lecture we have that much. Thank you.